The first car we tried out was something fairly rare for auto journalists, a roughly base trim car. In this case, a Golf sport wagon with next to no options and a manual transmission. Car companies typically send us optioned-up cars, so this was a nice change. And as it turns out, the base car is still really good. It's even fun, like Civic Sport fun. Despite little wheels with tall tires, this Golf was great to drive on back roads. There's only mild body roll, it turns in eagerly, and the car feels very planted and communicative through turns. Its 170 horsepower and 199 pound-feet of torque are plenty, allowing for quick acceleration even in the middle of the rev band, and the engine sheds and gains RPM with ease, making for smooth rev-matched shifts. The 5-speed itself is just adequate, though, with slightly rubbery gates. The ratios aren't closely spaced, either, but at least they're tall enough that the engine isn't screaming at highway speed. We also tried out a Golf with an automatic, and it definitely isn't as much fun as the manual. Shifts are on the slow side, but it is a very smooth transmission that picks gears pretty smartly.